Today I will be launching a meme coin. Okay, my coin just popped up. Let me go see what's happening. Come on, pump, 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 pump. Okay, if it goes just a bit higher, I will be removing the liquidity. 3, 2, 1, and boom! Nobody does it like me. Let's fucking go. Now, if I finally check my profits in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, I could buy a whole house with that money. Now, in today's video, I will be launching a meme coin live on camera and making a shit ton of money. And yes, you can make a lot of money yourself. All you need is a phone or a PC and a phantom wallet, okay? Now, the reason why launching meme coins is way more profitable, way safer, and way better than actually trading meme coins is because by trading meme coins, okay, you could buy, let's say, here, 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 and here, hoping for the coin to go higher. But bro, the reality is that you can lose all your money in an instant by the creator of this coin, okay? Now, for example, if you launch coins, bro, you are actually the one controlling how much money you make, and you are controlling the coin. So all you have to do is find a good narrative, launch a coin, wait for buyers, dump it, and make a shit ton of money. So make sure to keep watching if you are interested, and if you are broke, and if you want to make some money, okay? Now, there's 3 steps into making your own coin, okay? So the first step is to find a good narrative. So basically, this is the driving factor and idea behind your coin that will lead investors into putting money inside the project. Okay, so narrative. The second step is to launch it. So I have a little website. I mean, I don't own it, but I found a website that millions of people are using to launch coins, which I will show you guys exactly how to do. So launch your coin and then dump it to make a shit ton of money. So let's go. Now, to find a good narrative, I like to use Twitter because there's a bunch of like crypto news, there's a bunch of like stuff going on, and oh my god, what happened here? A plane crashed. This could be a good narrative to make a coin on, okay? Now, like I said, bro, millions of trenchers are looking on Twitter, looking for a meme coin to be made, and then they buy in the coin. But we're actually looking for a narrative to make a coin on instead of investing in, okay? Now, you can also go on Google and type in news and just look at what is trending to get a feel of, like, you know, the news and like what's like popping at the moment. Now, for example, right now, as you can see here, the Iranian president, whatever, right now the trends are the war in between Iran and the other country. Trump and Elon Musk are beefing. I mean, and also the Los Angeles riots are trending, right? So you can just take any narrative, to be honest. Yeah, I'm gonna take like this one, for example. Like an Indian right here is blocking the road. So I'm gonna save this to my PC. Then come to CreateTokens.fun, okay? Millions of people are using this website because your coins are going to be launched on the Raydium DEX, which means that you will skip all the migration time and your coin will be immediately graduated here. For example, if I click this coin, as you can see, oh, wait. If I click on this coin, yeah, most of these coins are like all made on Pump.fun, so you have to be making coins on CreateTokens.fun because your coins are going to be listed on the Raydium DEX. Okay, so it will be immediately graduated. Now, token name, Indian blocking road. Token symbol, just put the abbreviations of the name. So IBR. Put the image. Right, next, do not close the Twitter tab right here because you will come back to the tweet. Okay, so token description, come to the tweet, copy paste the captions, and then paste it in the description. Next, for your socials, just click on the share link, click copy link, and then paste it in Twitter. Modify creator information, keep this off, otherwise people are, I mean, you can put it on if you want, but it's a bit useless, right? It's a bit useless. Now, for the authority settings, you have to keep this all selected and on. Otherwise, nobody is going to buy your coin and your coin is going to be viewed as a scam. Okay? Now, do not cheap out on these options. You have to keep this all selected. Now, before I launch this coin and I make thousands of dollars, I want you, okay, to be completely clear that this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Tap. But anyways, if y'all want to see me launch this coin live, okay, and make thousands of dollars, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and watch the next video that will be posted soon. And now bye.